Hey everyone, it's E. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how and why I decided to make a mouse plush. You may be familiar with the YouTuber missalliecakes. She does subscription unboxings, and one that she does quite frequently is Lovevery, which is a super overpriced baby toy subscription service. Like, seriously, $120 for some wooden block toys. One of the items that intrigued me the most was this mouse in an organic sleep sack. I just knew I had to recreate it myself. So here is a pattern that I made, sort of. I just drew it directly onto the felt fabric I was going to be using, and this is just scrap fabric. And you can see this little teardrop shaped is the belly panel, and then the other side is the main part of the body. And so here are the pattern pieces cut out, and I'm going to work on pinning them together. I was going to do like sewn ears, but later I scrapped that idea and just had simple felt pieces to make it easier on myself. So here are the two body pieces and the tummy piece pinned together. I put a little pink patch on the tummy to more closely mimic the Lovevery plush toy. And here are all of the pieces, the tail and the paws, and here they are sewn on. I used a whip stitch because that's kind of a traditional stuffed animal stitch. And I just need to sew up the back now. I cut two tiny holes in the head to stick the ears into and sew the ears on the inside. And now it's basically all together and assembled with the whip stitch. I just need to embroider a face onto it and stuff it. It's important to sew right sides together, and to do the little paws and the tail, you kind of have to wedge it between the layers. But this is the embroidery thread I'm going to use, and here is the face embroidered on. It looks kind of grumpy and sleepy at the same time, I think. And now I'm going to take polyfill and stuff it. And I made mine pretty chubby. Now I'm going to use something called a ladder stitch to sew it up. My ladder stitch is not very good. Actually, all of my sewing is not very good. But I did this more or less to prove a point. And here is the little mouse all done. I put a couple of stitches under its chin to kind of draw its chin back to make its snout more pronounced. And you can really see it from the sides. And I actually really like how it turned out. I feel like it looks just as good as the Lovevery mouse that they had. And it looks just as sleepy and cute. I guess the point I was trying to prove is that Lovevery's toys really aren't that worth spending money on. I don't have any kids, so really I don't know who I'm going to give this plush to. I like it myself. I put it in a back closet, and you may be wondering, okay, where's the mouse's organic sleep sack? Well, you may see at the bottom of the frame there's a little sock, and that is what my mouse will sleep in. See how cozy it looks in there? Anyway, thanks for watching this stupid video. If you decide to make a mouse, let me know. Bye, guys.